In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to make Instagram story icons smaller. So okay, once we're on the Instagram app, we have to, make some screenshots first and see the difference. Now let's click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then click on the three horizontal lines, then select settings and privacy. Once you get there, go ahead and scroll down to find the help. In this section, choose to report a problem and report a problem without shaking. Include and continue, whatever you prefer. In this section, you may go ahead and make some details to make the icons make smaller, and the Instagram team will get back to you as soon as they can. In this section, we have to type in the details such as we don't have a typical. Now let's send the screenshot to them, and also you can screen recording it and send it to them, and they will get back to you. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.